Hello, brothers and sisters, and welcome back to another action-packed episode. I'm full of a fucking cold again. Episode of Chris the Butcher and friends. Yes, my brothers and sisters, I've got the lurgy again. Now, you'll find out the reason why I've probably got the lurgy, because from the weekend going over to the week, I've been doing a weekly vlog, and I've been trying to do a quick video every day, and every week I'll do a vlog, release it, and it'll be like what I got up to the week before, if you catch me drift, right? And that'll tell you why I got a cold. But regardless, let's crack on. I've got this little recipe here. It's not mine. I don't claim to have made this up. I nicked it off YouTube, right? It's simple, it's easy, it's more than to the point. When you're rough, it's fucking quick. And that is, I don't know why I keep looking down here, because it's not ready yet, I ain't done it. I'm doing hot dog pizzas. Oh, let's crack on, yeah? Wow. Before we delve into the nitty gritty though, I've got two little prep jobs I need to do first. The first one is the hot dog buns. Now, the rolls I've got to bake myself, because when I went in the shop, they didn't have any hot dog rolls, right? They never have anything I fucking want. So I'm going to bake them on 200 degrees for 5 to 6 minutes. And under the camera, which you can't see, I've already got 8 bratwurst sausages, botwurst, Daddy, whatever, I don't give a fucking clue, right? Hot dog sausages in a pan of water, and I just want to basically part boil them. I don't want them all to cook through, because everything's going to get cooked all together in the oven. Right, bang these in, do these hot dogs, and we'll start building this motherfucker. Right, the rolls are ready. The hot dogs are virtually done. Now, as you can see what I've done there, I've opened it up, and I've made a little silver tin foil boat, or aluminium foil boat. So I'm just going to put that in there, and then, before I do anything, listen, before anyone says, garlic fry light, spray some garlic fry light in there. And before I do anything else as well, I'm going to get my hot dog. Oh, fuck. I'm just going to not fully cut it in half, just open it up, place that in, if I can. Yeah, it's going to fuck up this, isn't it? And I couldn't find any mozzarella sticks, so what I've got, I've rolled some sliced Gouda cheese, and I'll try and get that inside that hot dog. Oh, there is, damn it. Tell you what, yeah. That'll fucking do, right? Also, I fucked up. I forgot to put the tomato puree on the bun. So anyway, when you see the taste test and all that, it'll have tomato puree on the bun. This one won't, because I'm not going back and starting again. Right, grated mozzarella. I've put it in like that boat thing, so it keeps everything in. That. Then we're going to hit it. 1, 2, 3 pieces of pepperoni. Get them on my pizza tray, my well-used pizza tray by the way, I'm going to crack on. I'm going to do about 3. And then I'm going to bang these in the oven. And then we'll get them out, have a look at them, do the taste test. Blah, blah, de blah. Bullshit, dog shit, whatever you fucking want. This might turn out okay, it might not. But then again, it's a journey, innit? There you are, people. Just to I'll prove to you, I've actually used tomato puree, and I will do up the rest of them. Right? Next time you see these mofos, they'll be coming out of the fucking oven. Incidentally, left the oven on 200 degrees, and I'm going to cook them for about 10 minutes, 15 minutes tops, right? So I've had them in the oven for about 13 minutes. We get them out now. Oh. Brothers and sisters, I give to you hot dog pizza. Now, I'm just going to leave that there for 5 minutes at least, until it cools down a little bit before we go in for a taste test. Otherwise it'll be like molten fucking lava, won't it? Right, brothers and sisters, them are done. You saw them come out of the oven. All I've done is take them out of that tinfoil bowl, but you don't have to. You can actually use that as rubbish, right? Before we go into taste test though, I did 3 for the video there and I put them in the oven, right? And I come do the rest while they were cooking. I'm like, hang on, I've got 8 hot dog hot dogs here. Only, I'm fucking hell, I'm gonna put my teeth in. 8 hot dogs and only 7 buns. So I'm like, how the fuck? Oh, okay, 8 buns. It turns out I looked in the oven, right? I was stuck to the back of the oven because the grill fell. Was that right? What a fucking abortion! I'd say it's a good job I'd seen it. That'd have been cooked like a million times and turned into a fucking oxo cube. So obviously we've had to bend that. The taste test has arrived. So we've got white roll, which I'd toasted in the oven first partly. Then we've got tomato puree on the bun. Then we've got a hot dog cut in half. Then we've got Gouda cheese stuffed inside the hot dog. Then we've got mozzarella cheese coated on top with pepperoni. Pepperoni, not pepperoni. I'm easily confused. Right, should we slide this down my fucking gizzard? You know what? I should do have a new playlist. Party snack foods, you know. Perfect for the kids. Them taste exactly how I expected them to. They taste like hot dog, they taste like cheese, they taste like pepperoni, and they tasted like a fucking white roll. But they tasted motherfucking fine. Tell you what, guys, they were tasty. They were tasty. It tasted exactly like you expect them to taste. I know piss easy to do. But listen, before we crack on with anything, right, I'm going to talk to you a little bit about, do you know about the 20th of February we need to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of views to get your videos monetised? I don't know if you guys noticed, there's been no adverts on my videos lately. And that is because I thought I'd done it. And I must have been 1 subscriber off at the cut-off point. So when I woke up on the 20th of February here in England, I had 1,000. So what now? I've had to have the channel under review. And there's that much of a backlog. It might be till the end of April. before it gets reviewed. So I was thinking, I don't earn hardly anything from monetization, right? YouTube earn the majority of money. I'm not doing this for the money. So I'm not going to bombard you with a Patreon account. I have one, but don't go on it or look for it because I cannot remember the login details. I won't be using it. I'm not going to be asking you for PayPal donations. What I'm going to ask for you, right? What's better than money? Little gifts, right? Obviously, I'm not going to give out my home address, right? That could be a bit dangerous. What I am going to do is, from now on, starting this video, if I can remember that is, I'm going to put the address to where I work, which is there, right? Because I'm there more than I'm here. And that's it. And so if any of you brothers and sisters want to send me a letter, or you want to send me something you want me to try for a review, or you just want to send me a gift, then you'll have an address to send it to. Please don't send money, right? We're not in it for the money. And when the channel gets reviewed, and it gets the okay and I can monetize my videos again, as a middle finger to YouTube, I might not. I've gone this long now without monetization, and in the 2 years previous of having monetization, I'm getting demonetized left, right, centre anyway, so what's the fucking point? Because you can't have a video when it's been demonetized, you can't have it reviewed until it's 1,000 views. And, you know, we're not at that stage, are we? So what is the fucking point? So I might, from this day forward, not ever monetize a video. Which is good, isn't it, really? Because who wants to watch fucking adverts? Yeah? You get enough of that on fucking ITV, don't you? Or any channel in America. So, anyway, without further ado, let's do our finishing speech. So, brothers and sisters, that was my hot dog pizza. If you like it, press like, comment, tell me what you'd do different, if you could do it any better, or if you just want to tell me I'm a prick. All comments are welcome. Trolls are welcome, right? Me, all you brothers and sisters, we can handle trolls, can't we? Yeah? Also, share it on social media. Social media, right? My Facebook page, Chris the Butcher and Friends. The link will be in the description. I've got a video I've got to edit, right? And it's a peanut butter pork video. And from start to finish, it was a fucking disaster. So, what I might do is, I might just put that on the Facebook page. I'll edit it, put it on the Facebook page. So if you want to watch that video at some point, I suggest you press like on the Facebook page. Because you may never ever see it here up on YouTube. And I forgot, oh, Snapchat. Add me on Snapchat. Listen, that's fun, innit? I tend to just take fucking Snapchats of me lying in fucking bath. You know, with my head. Nothing else, you know, nothing seedy or fucking, you know, because I've been threatened with arrest a few times, right? Also, yeah, and subscribe and become a member of #TeamCTB, where I fucking love you.